Hello guys, you all are welcome here on my channel, and this is the third part of the Indian writer Naseem Magical. And today, in this series of question MCQs on Naseem Magical, we would discuss about the 14 question on Indian writer Naseem Magical. So let's start the video. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका philosophy of the scorpion and poet lover and bird watcher appear in Naseem Magicals, and you are with four options: Hymns in Darkness, the exact name, a time to change, none of these. And right answer for this is the exact name. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर आते हैं हम लोग. A poem, Empty of Knowledge, is a poem that merely skims the surface of life. Who said? You have again four options: Kamala Das, R.N. Tagore, Naseem Magical, and Raja Rao. And right answer is Naseem Magical. Next question. Barbaric city, sick with slums, deprived of seasons, blessed with rains. Here the barbaric city is. And you have the four options again: Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, and Mumbai. And the right answer for this is very simple answer for this question is option D, Mumbai. Let's move to the next question. Island in the background casually appear in Naseem Magical's poem. Again you are with four options: the exact name, Hymn in Darkness, a time to change, none of these. And correct answer for this is Hymn in Darkness. Move to the next question, and the next question is any time, any day, I am not believing in ceremony. Always I am enjoying your company. And these line appears in Naseem Magical's poem. Four option: The Night of Scorpion, Morning Walk, Patriot, and Island. And answer for this question is very simple. Option C, Patriot. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका इसके बाद पैट्रियट, इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी. आफ्टर दैट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ योर्स स्टार्ट्स. I cannot leave this island. I was born here and belong. And these lines appear in Naseem Magical's poem Patriot, Island, Background Casually, and A Morning Walk. And the right answer for this is option B, Island. Option B, Island is the right answer for this question. Let's move to the next question. And next question it states, unasked as the day declined, she brought out her small breasts to be kissed. And these lines are from the pen of, you have the four options: Kamala Das, Toru Dutt, R.N. Tagore, Naseem Magical. And again, guys, the right answer is answer D. Option C. Option D. Nissi Magical. Next question. Lead us unreceptively to what comes after passion and let us die. Love as though we choose it for a reason. These lines are from the pen of obvious. Answer for this question is option A. Nissim Agical. Next question. And your next question is on your screen. Poetic reasonableness. Poetic reasonableness is the soul of poetry. And who said this? And answer of yours is option A. Ramanuj, B. Kamla Das, C. Nissim Magical, and D. Toru Dutt. And answer of yours is option C. Nissim Agical. Move to the next question. And next question is, my job is as such, no one is giving me bribe. This appears in Nissim Magical's poem, a railway clerk, island, poet, lover and bird watcher, and patriot. And right answer is answer option A railway clerk. So option A railway clerk is the right answer for this question. Let's move to the next question. And your next question is on your screen. Nissim Agical's poem background casually reflects and four options a feeling of alienation, his love for religion, his love for rural life, and none of these. And the right answer is option A. His feeling of alienation is the right answer for this questions. To his feeling of alienation, option A is the right answer for this question. And there is a next question on your screen, and the question says, every family must have black sheep. These are days of family planning, and these lines appear in Agical's poem. Option B, the professor. Out of these four options, the correct answer is the professor. The professor is the correct answer for this. Next question. Move to the next question, and the question on your screen, change is permanent and real. What the dancing movement of kiss are real too. Who penned down these lines? Answer is four options. Guys, quite obvious, you must be knowing, and the answer is option D. Nissim Agical is the right answer for this. Move to the next question. What the next question of yours says, that is on your screen. ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा इसमें गड़बड़ हो गया है स्लाइड को बनाते वक्त। ये क्वेश्चन है, हु रोट द हिंदू सोसाइटी, और इसका आंसर है निसी मैजिकल। हु रोट द ऐसे हिंदू सोसाइटी। निसी मैजिकल्स ने पोइम्स भी लिखी हैं और पोइम्स के साथ कुछ ऐसे भी लिखे हैं, वही था उसमें एक आंसर है आपका। अब ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो है, व्हेन वॉज द थर्ड बाय निसी मैजिकल। इट इज ए वॉल्यूम ऑफ पोएम है निसी मैजिकल का। तो व्हेन वॉज इट पब्लिश, तो राइट आंसर फॉर दिस इज द ऑप्शन सी 1959।